What is Three Kings celebration, you may ask? Let me share with you what I found out asking a couple of my friends. The celebration it's on January 6th, and it's also called Epiphany. It's the church calendar day that celebrates the visit of the wise men to Jesus. The word Epiphany simply means revelation or manifestation. Some of the countries that celebrate Three Kings are Mexico, Spain, and in addition to other countries in Latin America like Argentina, Uruguay, and Peru, the Caribbean, especially Puerto Rico, France, and Poland. Some celebrate with parades, festivals, and they eat the rosca de reyes, which is a bread like this one, and inside the bread is a little plastic baby doll that symbolizes baby Jesus. And whoever gets this little plastic doll gets a prize. On the night before January 6th, kids prepare a shoebox with grass for the camels and cookies for the kings. They also prepare a letter with a wish list of items they would like to receive as gifts. In some countries, they leave their shoes outside their house, expecting to find the gifts inside the shoes the next day, as you can see in this picture. I really enjoy asking my friends about their experiences. It was beautiful to hear their stories, and I think they also enjoy sharing them with me. And hello, everyone. I'm so glad you're here. Now, let's get going. Let me share with you how I created a beautiful wreath to celebrate Three Kings.
Uri Designs, unique expressions.
The first thing I did is I selected an image in Cricut Design Space and I cut it in gold vinyl to then add it to a sign. Let me show you how to get rid of all the negative space. Very easy. Just using this tool, I go slowly and I get rid of all the negative space, and then to transfer it to my sign, I'm using the transfer tape to make it easier to then transfer the vinyl into the sign. I'm going to be using this black sign. I'm going to center the image. I want this design to represent these three kings traveling at night. And I'm going to keep the transfer tape to use it for a later project. I am going to be adding this star. I got this star very inexpensive, but it's a little bit damaged. But no problem because I have this ink gold paste that I can add on the damaged parts and fix it right away. I love this product. It dries really quick. This wreath is so beautiful. I love it. Look at the finish. I'm going to be using this one as my base, and then I'm going to be adding leaves all around. I'm using these eucalyptus leaves as well. They smell delicious. I am breaking them apart so it will be easier for me to add them to the wreath later. And I'm going to be adding these pine cones. These are magnolia leaves. I love them. I am going to be attaching it using this floral wire, making sure that I tie them secure to the wreath. And later I'm going to show you how I cover all these wires on the back. Now it's time to add the pine cones, and I'm using a lot of hot glue. And to reinforce, I'm adding this felt fabric on the back with a lot of hot glue. This is serving as covering the wires and protecting the door with this felt fabric on the back. So just trying to see where to place them and doing the same for all of the pine cones. After adding all the pine cones, I'm going to be adding these eucalyptus sticks all around with the hot glue. And to add a little bit of color, I'm adding purple to this wreath. What I'm going to be doing is pouring the paint inside of these ornaments because I don't have any purple ornaments. And I'm going to be adding gold as well, and I'll show you how. One of the colors that represents this Three Kings celebration is purple, gold, and green. I already have green in my wreath. So now I'm going to be adding purple and gold, and let me show you how. To achieve the gold on this, I'm spray painting them. And I'm going to give 3 coats of this, letting it dry in between coats. I love this product. It gives a beautiful coverage and it dries really quick. Another way to achieve gold was to do this glitter technique by pouring the polycrylic satin finish inside of the ornaments and then adding the glitter inside. I tried this and I really like the spray paint better, but I wanted to share with you this technique in case you don't have the possibility to spray paint your Christmas ornaments. And then I'm going to get rid of the excess to then put the glitter inside. Using this little funnel and a little spoon to make it easier to put all the glitter inside this small Christmas ornament. You might not need to go through all this trouble if you already have Christmas ornaments that are purple and gold. Now let me show you what I did. I'm not sure if I needed to do this, but looking at the purple, I thought it was too bright and it didn't really transfer to elegant and royal. So I'm adding this gold ink on top. This is like a paste that dries so fast. I love it. So I'm just applying it on the Christmas ornament, on all the outside, and I think it's creating a better look and achieving the elegant look that I'm looking for. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like the purple as it was or if you think it's a good idea to add this gold on top. Now I'm adding the sign and the star. And I'm using the same ribbon that I used for the sign to hang the star right on the top of the wreath. Now it's time to add lights to the wreath. I'm so excited about this. I'm going to be attaching the case and I'm trying to figure out where I can add the Velcro here. I want this case to be flush with the wreath and the door as well. So I'm going to be adding Velcro to the case and I'm going to be adding the other part of Velcro on the wreath. This part was probably a little bit more challenging for me because I decided to add the lights after I added the sign. But the ideal would be to add the lights before you add the sign and the star. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learning more about Three Kings celebration. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and press the notification bell so next time I upload a new video you will be notified. Until next time, goodbye.